friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making a healthy 2-ingredient banana pancake in the air fryer. So this healthy pancake just uses 2 ingredients, 1 banana and 2 eggs. That's it. This is the healthiest pancake ever. So what we need is to mash 1 brown banana, so put it in a bowl and just mash the banana with a fork. And now, once you mash the banana, let's crack 2 eggs. And mix them with the banana. And now we need a non-stick frying pan that fits inside the air fryer. So I'm going to also spray it with a non-stick cooking spray. And now let's pour a banana egg batter into a pan. And now let's put the pan in the air fryer basket. And let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And now I will set the temperature to 380 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set the time to 10 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at this banana egg pancake. It looks amazing. So let's take the pan out of the air fryer. Perfect. Look at this pancake. Looks so good and it's so healthy too. I'm so excited about trying it. Let's try it. So fluffy. Amazing. And tastes so delicious, so soft and naturally sweetened with banana. You're going to love this healthy banana egg pancake. This is a perfect healthy breakfast. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!